Benefits of the black love knot bracelet. In the vibrant tapestry of Indian fashion, where tradition gracefully intertwines with contemporary trends, accessories hold a special significance. They are not merely adornments, they are expressions of personality, symbols of connection, and subtle yet powerful statements of style. Among the ever-evolving landscape of fashionable trinkets, the black love knot bracelet has emerged as a truly captivating piece, weaving its way into the hearts and wardrobes of individuals across the nation. This isn't just another fleeting trend. The black love knot bracelet resonates with a deeper meaning. Its elegance, simplicity, and profound symbolism making it a cherished accessory for daily wear. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and finished with a sleek black coating over a durable alloy, this bracelet offers a unique blend of timeless appeal, superior quality, extreme fashionability, and remarkable versatility. Let's delve into the myriad benefits that make the black love knot bracelet an indispensable addition to your personal style. Asker is Castresque one, a symbol of enduring connection, the heart of the love knot asterisk. At its core, the design of the love knot bracelet carries a powerful and universally understood message, the unbreakable bond of love and connection. The intricate intertwining of the knot represents the enduring nature of relationships, be it romantic love, familial ties, or the deep connection between friends. Wearing a black love knot bracelet serves as a constant reminder of these cherished bonds, a tangible symbol of the people who hold a special place in your heart. In a culture like India, where relationships are deeply valued and celebrated, this symbolism resonates profoundly. The bracelet becomes more than just an accessory. It transforms into a person, an emblem of commitment, affection, and unwavering support. It's a subtle yet meaningful way to carry the essence of your loved ones with you throughout the day. Asterisk asterisk 2. Superior quality crafted for lasting elegance. Asterisk asterisk. While the aesthetic appeal of a bracelet is undeniable, its longevity and durability are equally crucial, especially for an accessory intended for daily wear. The black love knot bracelet stands out due to its superior quality craftsmanship. Made from a robust alloy, it offers a solid foundation that can withstand the rigors of daily life. The application of a sleek black coating further enhances its durability and aesthetic appeal. This coating not only provides a sophisticated and contemporary look but also acts as a protective layer, preventing tarnishing and ensuring that the bracelet retains its lustrous finish for years to come. This commitment to quality means that your black love knot bracelet will not just be a fleeting fashion statement but a cherished piece that you can enjoy for a long time. Asterisk Castre is 3. Trending and timeless, a fashion statement for every era. Asterisk. In the ever-cyclical world of fashion, striking the perfect balance between being on trend and possessing timeless appeal is a rare and valuable quality. The black love knot bracelet effortlessly achieves this delicate equilibrium. The minimalist design of the love knot itself is a classic motif that has transcended generations, symbolizing unity and eternal connection across various cultures. The addition of the sleek black finish injects a contemporary edge, aligning perfectly with current fashion trends that favor understated elegance and bold simplicity. Black is a color that never goes out of style, exuding sophistication and versatility. This combination of a timeless design and a modern finish ensures that your black of knot bracelet will remain a fashionable accessory for years to come, seamlessly adapting to evolving trends.